Hello everyone, welcome to JTC Educational Revolution. This is Sumit Javale. In this video, we are going to solve the trigonometric ratios up to transformation. This is the second video, right? Now, in this, one more relative I am going to explain you and some more questions will go through it. Given A, B, C are angles of a triangle. Same type of question, but little bit different things you have to prove. Required to prove. I think now camera is clear. Even the upper part not getting any type of light shade. Right. So required to prove sine square a by 2 plus sine square b by 2 minus sine square c by 2 is equal to 1 minus 2 cos a by 2 cos b by 2 sin c by 2. Okay, this is what we need to prove here. Now see, we need to write this part as they said both A, B, C are the angles of a triangle. So A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degree. Right. So we will take it as equation 1. And whenever it's necessary, we'll use it in the process. Right. Now, LHS sine square A by 2 plus sine square B by 2 minus sine square c by 2. Look at here student, for directly sine square a by 2 we do not have a straightforward formula. Okay, we can get many forms. I said you already, from one formula we can get so many formulas here. Right, but if I convert this like this, 2 sine square a by 2, we have a formula 1 minus cos a for this. So 2 sine square a by 2 will be 1 minus cos a, but for that I need 2 here. Here also I can get 2. Then I can use this formula. Right? Getting in this point? So to get 2, what I'll do? Outside I'll multiply and divide with 2. Sine square a by 2 plus sine square b by 2 minus sine square c by 2. Outside I'm multiplying and dividing with 2. Now what I'll do, this 2 I will send inside. 1 by 2 I am keeping outside. This 2 belongs to every term now. 2 sine square a by 2, 2 sine square b by 2 minus 2 sine square c by 2. Okay? Now 1 by 2 as it is. 2 sine square a by 2 can be written as 1 minus cos a. 2 sine square b by 2 can be written as 1 minus cos b minus 2 sine square c by 2 can be written as 1 minus cos c. Why I am keeping bracket? Because outside there is a minus. Now 1 by 2 as it is. See student, open the brackets. Minus 1 minus into minus plus cos c. So I can cancel this 2. See, this is minus 1, this is plus 1. Both gets cancelled. Getting idea? So what I'll be left out with now? 1 by 2. This 1 left out. 1 minus cos A minus cos B plus cos C. So here I can use, see, minus common, I can take minus common now. 1 from these 2 parts. Minus I can take common. So what I get in bracket? Cos A plus cos B. Separately plus cos C, write separate. Now if you look at very clearly everyone, understood what I did here? Minus I am taking outside. So when I take minus outside, I should get plus inside now. Now it is in the form cos C plus D, cos C plus cos D. What is the formula? 2 cos C plus D by 2, cos C minus D by 2. This is the formula for cos C plus cos D. For that I can write 1 by 2, 2 cos C plus D by 2. Here 1 as it is. Inside the bracket I should do these changes. And one more formula, student. Cos C. Okay, let me write both formulas at a time. Cos C also I should use now. Cos C can be written as 1 minus 2 sin square C by 2. Right, this is the formula for this. So 1 by 2 as it is, 1 as it is, outside minus as it is, here I am applying formula. 2 cos C plus D by 2. Our C is A, D is B, so A plus B by 2. C minus D by 2, so cos A minus B by 2. Okay everyone, here I apply this formula. Plus cos C can be written as 1 minus 2 sin square C by 2. I am writing a little bit congested for setup there. Hope it is visible. Yeah, right, it's visible. Now we'll solve this inside the bracket. See, 1 minus, open the bracket. Actually everything is in multiplication. So simply I can write like this, 2 cos A plus B by 2, cos A minus B by 2, plus 1 minus 2 sin square C by 2. Getting idea everyone? Here a whole bracket is there, student. Now, okay, this much clear I hope. In the next step what I can do, 1 plus 1, 2 I will write. Then we'll proceed. Here everywhere 2 will be common, so that 2 will bring outside. Observe for 2 minutes all of you. Observe carefully. If you are watching in mobile, pause and observe and skip 1-2 minutes. Okay, make it. See student, we can pause it whenever you are watching in mobile. Okay, don't waste time. Pause it, watch it and skip fastly. Next, let us continue here. Yeah, only this much part I am going to rough. Now, this part I am not roughing student because I need this again. So what I am doing, 1 by 2 as it is. See, 1 plus 1 2 now, that 2 I am writing here. 2 minus 2 cos A plus B by 2, cos A minus B by 2 minus 2 sin square C by 2. Now in all the three categories, I can take 2 common now. Here also 2, here also 2, here also 2. So 1 by 2 already there outside. This 2 I am taking out. So this 2 came out. 1 minus cos a plus b by 2. Cos a minus b by 2. See, this 2 came out. So in place of 2 I should write 1. This 2 came out. So along with this, these all terms are there. So I wrote as it is. This 2 came out. So I should write only sin square c by 2. Okay? Now in the next step, 2 cancel. Now if you look at from equation 1, a plus b plus c is equal to 180 degree. Right. Now can I do like this? Both sides if I divide it with 2, can I write this like this? A plus b by 2 plus c by 2 is equal to 90. Okay? I have initially this much. A plus b plus c is equal to 180. What I am doing? Dividing both sides with 2. Equation 1 I am using here. Now, a plus b by 2 I am writing separately, c by 2 I am writing separately. Because a plus b I want to replace here. Okay? Getting idea? Right. This all is the part of some extra work. Now from this I can write a plus b by 2 is equal to 90 minus c by 2. Isn't it? I can write that part. So in the next step, here I will do the changes. So I can get cos 90 minus c by 2. Okay? Right. Observe that much part carefully, everyone. Right? Clear? So look at very carefully next step. Yeah, I'm roughing this. Now look at this, student. What I am doing here. Here I will do changes. So 2 cancel, remove it. We left out with 1 minus cos a plus b by 2. I will write it as 90 minus c by 2. Getting idea? This a plus b by 2 I am writing as 90 minus c by 2. Remaining as it is cos a minus b by 2 minus sin square c by 2. Okay, student? So these 2 cancel, so we left out with this much. A plus b by 2 I am changing as 90 minus c by 2. We know very well cos 90 minus theta will be sin theta, and this first quadrant, so cos will remain plus positive. So 1 minus cos 90 minus theta. So it is like cos 90 minus theta. Let us do like this. So cos 90 minus theta can be written as sin theta. So what is our theta? C by 2. Okay? Now, in these two terms is sin c by 2 is common. Right? So what I am doing? Sin c by 2 I am writing outside the bracket. So what I left out? Cos a minus b by 2 minus sin c by 2. Be careful with the sign, everyone. Plus minus. See, I am taking minus also common. I am taking sin c by 2 common, minus also common. So when I take minus common, this will become plus, this will also become plus. Right? Okay? And again, student, if you look at from this only, can I write c by 2 is equal to 90 minus a plus b by 2? C by 2 I am keeping here only. A plus b by 2 sending this. So I can write like this. So I use that part here. 1 minus sin c by 2 cos a minus b by 2 plus Sine c by 2 place I am writing 90 minus a plus b by 2. Okay? Right, c by 2 place I am writing 90 minus a plus b by 2. So we know very well sin 90 minus theta will be nothing but cos theta. Right, so this I am going to use in the next step. So till here observe everyone carefully. Here what I have done, 2 I have taken common and cancelled it. And here a plus b by 2 I am changing it 90 minus c by 2. Remaining all everything same. So this is cos 90 minus theta can be written as sin theta. So cos 90 minus c by 2 I am writing sin c by 2. Next step what I am doing, minus I am taking common, sin c by 2 I am taking common. So minus sin c by 2 came out, cos a minus b by 2 remains, minus will become plus, sin c by 2 will remain. Now next what I am doing, c by 2 I am changing as a plus 90 minus a plus b by 2 according to this formula. Right, observe it carefully, it's quite lengthy problem. Yeah, from Monday or Tuesday, we'll be using the bigger board, everyone. It's taking a lot of space. So, hope you understood. If not, you can observe this carefully. Okay, hope you got sufficient time to observe it. If not, you can pause it. Now look at student. 1 minus sin c by 2 as it is. Inside the bracket what I am doing? Cos a minus b by 2 keeping as it is. Plus sin 90 minus theta can be written as cos theta. So cos theta. What is our theta? A plus b by 2. Okay? Now 1 minus, see student, I need 1 minus sin c by 2. So 1 minus sin c by 2 I got. Here I should do some changes now. Look at now what I will do. See, I can do like this, cos a by 2 minus b by 2 plus cos a by 2 plus b by 2. I can write like this. So if I write it in this form, isn't it looking like, see, it's looking like I can rearrange them, then you'll understand. First I'll write this, cos a by 2 plus b by 2, cos a by 2 minus b by 2. Now look at student, isn't it looking like cos a plus b plus cos a minus b? See, cos a plus b. Okay, in place of a, I have a by 2, that you keep aside. Consider this as a. So it's looking like cos a plus b plus cos a minus b. So what is the formula for that? 2 cos a cos b is the formula. Right. So I should apply this same formula here. 1 minus sin c by 2. 2 cos a. 2 cos a. What is our a? A by 2. Cos b. What is our b? B by 2. Right. Okay everyone? If you look at now, I got everything what I need. 2 cos a by 2 I got, 2 cos b by 2. I am just rearranging. 1 minus, 2 I am writing here. 2 cos A by 2, cos B by 2 I am writing, cos B by 2, at the end I will write sin C by 2 because all terms are in multiplication, so I can rearrange anyone according to our wish. So we got what we need, RHS, hence proved. Is it clear all of you? It's quite lengthy, may take 40 minutes for you to finish this, but observe carefully. Okay, right now, observe the once again written part. See student, this is very lengthy problem. Right, I have explained in so much of details, so observe it very carefully. Right? Do it. Video will run for one or 2 minutes. Yeah, observe carefully. Okay, right. Now we'll do some SAQ type of questions, as this was a really very interesting chapter actually. But you need to be careful with the formulas. Which formula you have to use it, which step, that is important. Okay, all of you. And once this some problems will finish, next day will be the prop function chapter, as many students are going through the getting doubts in that. So one SAQ will do. Prove that tan theta plus secant theta minus 1 by tan theta minus secant theta plus 1 is equal to 1 plus sin theta by cos theta. It is of your 10th class type of question, everyone. Right. Very easy. Look at, it won't be that much lengthy also. Just a minute. Yeah. See, LHS. What is LHS? Tan theta plus secant theta minus 1 by tan theta minus secant theta plus 1. So, what I am doing, look at very carefully. We know secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1 or not? We know this formula. So, tan theta plus secant theta as it is, in place of this 1, I am using this formula. Outside there is minus, so you need to be careful. So outside there is minus, so I am keeping bracket. So in place of 1, I am writing secant square theta minus tan square theta by tan theta minus secant theta plus 1. Okay? So in place of 1, I wrote this. Now it is in the form a square minus b square. A square minus b square can be written as a plus b into a minus b. Isn't it? So I am writing that in the next part. So tan theta plus secant theta as it is. This I am writing secant square theta minus tan square theta in this form. A plus b. So secant theta plus tan theta. A minus b. Okay, here let us take secant theta minus tan theta. I am writing here, student. It is continuation. Okay. Now, what I can do? By whole divided by tan theta minus secant theta plus 1. Okay. Here be careful. It's continuation. Next, tan theta plus secant theta, open the bracket, minus secant theta plus tan theta into secant theta minus tan theta. Okay, all of you, we can do like this. Now, if you look at denominator keeping as it is, in this both, this is one term, this is one term. What is common? Tan theta plus secant theta plus tan theta, both are same. So that is common now. So I am writing them outside. Tan theta plus secant theta I am writing outside the bracket. So tan theta plus secant theta came out. So what left out in place of this? 1. This minus. Tan theta plus secant theta came out. What left out? Secant theta minus tan theta. Okay? Whole divided by tan theta minus secant theta plus 1. Getting idea, everyone? Now, if you look at very carefully, tan theta plus secant theta as it is, this I can write like this: 1 minus secant theta minus into minus plus tan theta. So denominator I can change like this. 1 I am writing first, then I am writing minus secant theta, then I am writing plus tan theta. I am just rearranging the terms. Okay? This and this both are same. I am just rearranging them. Now you look at this term and this term same. So this and this cancelled. Getting idea, everyone? Right. So those two can be cancelled straightforwardly. Then what left out? Tan theta plus secant theta will be left out. But we need this. So still we need to do something here. Okay? Yeah. From here, it is exactly your 10th class question. You might have solved already. In 10th, you have exactly same question. Tan theta plus secant theta. Prove that it is 1 plus sin theta by cos theta. Let's see. We'll get it. Observe for a minute, everyone. Observe for 1 or 2 minutes. Carefully. So don't be in confusion, students. You need to rearrange the terms. You need to learn it. How to rearrange the given terms. Okay, so now we will continue. What left out? Tan theta plus secant theta. See, student, here tan theta can be written as sin theta by cos theta. Secant theta can be written as 1 by cos theta. Right? We know this. LCM, cos theta LCM will be cos theta only. So it becomes, numerator will remain as it is. So we got it. See, 1 plus sin theta by cos theta we need. So we got same thing. RHS. Hence, proved. Okay, watch it for few seconds, student. Okay, clear? Now, one more recipe we will do in this video. Then tomorrow also we will get 2 hours of this video, student, this chapter's video. Then we will stop these topics. You should practice now after that. Yeah, hope that is clear. One more question we will take. Find the range of 7 cos x minus 24 sin x plus 5. So range means, you know, formula C minus square root of a square plus b square, right? Then C plus square root of a square minus b square, a square plus b square. Okay, so here maximum minimum value formula is also same, range formula is also same. In range what we do, minimum value will write first, maximum value will write next. Okay, so see, look at this. Given f of x, this you have to take as function. See, this I can write 7 cos x minus 24 sin x plus 5 can be written as minus 24 sin x plus 7 cos x plus 5. I'm just rearranging these two terms. First I'm writing this, next I'm writing this. Whenever we do rearrangement, plus minus won't change. Don't do that mistakes in exam. When we do some transformation, LHS we send to RHS, RHS will send to LHS, then plus minus will change. Okay? So here, given f of x is in the form of f of x is equal to a sin x plus b cos x plus c. So our function, isn't it in this form? A sin x plus b cos x plus c. So therefore here, what is a? Minus 24. What is b? 7. What is c? 5. Okay? So now we know range is equal to c minus square root of a square plus b square, comma c plus square root of a square plus b square. This is the formula for range. So we do just substitute and find out that. So range is equal to c. What is c minus? So what is our c? 5. Okay, we'll do one thing, student. First we'll find out square root of a square plus b square, so that we can save the space. So a square minus 24 whole square, b square, what is our b? 7. 7 square. So minus 24 whole square, 625, 576. Right, this is 576. 7 square, 49. So if we add this, 15, 20, 625. So square root of 625 will be 25 only. So we got square root of a square plus b square. What is that? Square root of a square plus b square is equal to 25. Now range is equal to c minus square root of a square plus b square, comma c plus square root of a square plus b square. So what is c? C is 5. What is square root of A square plus B square? 25. Here C 5 plus 25. So therefore 5 minus 25 minus 20. 5 plus 25, 30. So this is our range for this question, for this given function. Is that clear all of you? So short answers are very easy, student. Tomorrow's in next videos I'll show you mostly short answers, but little bit long answers also you need to do. Right? Yeah, those are good at mathematics must do all answers, must get 75 out of 75. Others must try to get minimum 60 above out of 75 pattern. If it is from MEC, out of 100 you must need to get 80 above. Okay students? Right? Hope you understood this one. Yeah, so observe for a minute. Observe, right? Hope you got the idea. So this was the second video, right? So with this we end with this video. Practice the questions very carefully. Similar type of questions you follow from your study material, right? And finally, make sure that you practice these questions like unknown questions. Yeah, first you observe this. If you know very well already, no need to watch video. You just go through your own practice. If you don't know this chapter, listen and practice this. Okay everyone? So with this we end up our today's 2 videos. Right, we'll meet in the next class. Till then, it's a Jai Hind to everyone.